India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VIII TOPAZ, and national and international news is brought to you by Citizen of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. National news. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed Made in India AI models with startup of the Global Impact Summit. International news. U.S. Navy forces seized Russian tanks in North Atlantic for sanction violation. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Kedar and I am from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Now I am going to say state and sport news. Hyderabad Rich Rally Festival 2026 in IDEX City from January 24 to 26. Sports news. As is the 5th test today, Australia defeats by England by 5 wickets and series 1/4. Thank you.
Weather forecast is brought to you by Sankirtana from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. Humidity 53%. Air quality satisfactory. Wind speed 6 km per hour. Precipitation 0%. Conditions clear to sunny skies, sunny mornings, light winds. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin.
Today's thought and word of the day is brought to you by Shefi of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Thought. Opportunities don't come to you, you have to create them for yourself. I repeat it again. Opportunities don't come to you, you have to create them for yourself. And word. Unsend. To recall a message after sending it. I repeat it again. To recall a message after sending it. Friends, please spell after me. Unsend. U-N-S-E-N-D. Unsend. Thank you and have a marvelous Friday. Today's speech is brought to you by Shivakishna from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Friends, do you know what is today's special? Today's special is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. This day is celebrated to honor the contribution of non-resident Indians and people of the Indian origins who lived in the different parts of the world, but remain connected to the India, their culture, values and hard work. This date is very important because on January 9, 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. His return marked the first chapter of India's freedom struggle. Lastly, I want to conclude with two quotations. Distance may separate the land, but culture, value and love keep Indians united. Next, wherever an Indian stands with pride and integrity, India stands taller. Thank you. Everyone, today's fun GK questions are brought to you by Ketan and Sandesh of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Firstly, question for grade 7. What moral value do you show when you are in a line waiting for your turn? Patience. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is patience. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Which moral value do you show when you say thank you? Gratitude. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is gratitude. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. Which moral value do you show when you say I made a mistake? Honesty. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is honesty. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 2. What moral value do you show even when you are calm, even someone is making you angry? Self-control. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is self-control. Let us appreciate them. Final open question. What moral value grows if you give it away? Love. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is love. Let us appreciate them. This is the end of our fun GK questions. Thank you. Today riddles are brought to you by Ashok of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Riddle for grade 7. I grow when you share me. I stick when you hide me. What am I? I am repeating the riddle. I grow when you share me. I stick when you hide me. What am I? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is knowledge. Let us appreciate them. Riddle for grade 8. I have a heart but no feelings. What am I? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is book. Let us appreciate them. Again riddle for grade 7. I have a neck but no head. What am I? I am repeating the riddle. I have a neck but no head. What am I? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is body. Let us appreciate them. Riddle for grade 8. I have many answers but no questions. What am I? I am repeating the riddle. I have many answers but no questions. What am I? No, you didn't pick the any answer and the answer is dictionary. Open riddles. Riddle number 1. I grow when I wake up when rain comes down. What am I? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is umbrella. Let us appreciate them. Riddle number 2. You see once in a year, twice in a week, but never in a day. What am I? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is letter E. Let us appreciate them. Thank you and have a good day.
But stay with rooted values. Happy morning everyone. I am Niharika of Grade-VIII TOPAZ and here my friend Swati. Today we are going to do conversation about Sankranti celebrations in our school. Hey Niharika, stop. I have fantastic news for you. What Swati? You are looking already flying kite. It's because Sankranti celebrations are happening tomorrow Saturday morning in SR Vijayaniketan International School. I know. I heard like there will be culture programs, music and dance from different houses. There will be full of competition among them. Yes, and our teacher says it's not only celebration, it shows our talent and teamwork. Then we should participate with full of energy and good spirit. Exactly. There will be competitions like Rangoli, kite flying, decoration, speeches and cultural programs. Swati, our school is going to conduct Rangoli competition for parents and students. Yes, Niharika, it's going to be a memorable day. That's why I love our school. Every event teaches us values, ethics and how to be in discipline. Yes, Sankranti teaches hard work, gratitude and unity, just like our teachers teach us every day. Swati, are you eager to celebrate Sankranti celebrations in morning? Yes, Niharika. So, my dear friends, are you ready for tomorrow's morning? Yes. And advance Sankranti to all. SRV is first in doing all activities. I am proud of SRV school. Thank you.